to another edition of Wardy Screencast, where today I'm going to show you how to create a Google site. So you're going to go to sites.google.com and blank. Start a new site. Boom. All right, and as this goes, you may want to, in fact, I would suggest, watch a step, pause this video, do it yourself. Watch the next step, pause the video, do it yourself. So what you're going to do is, you're going to have a name for your blog. I'm going to call this not Benny Fresh. I don't know. Wardy's Musings. Here, we're going to put in something kind of title that goes with the topic of whatever it is we're choosing to research this year. So, now you know what? I was going to do salaries and sports, but for this one, athlete control. They're controlling the leagues, in my opinion. Anyway, so athlete control, working title. These can be changed. The next thing you want to do is go to pages. We're going to add two. So you go down to here where it says new page. You're going to put one and call it Summaries. Hit done. I have a Summaries page. Second one, I'm going to put Reading Reactions. Done. I have my 2 pages. We're going to, as we research this year, the topic that we choose, write summaries of some articles, react to some reading, to start to collect some evidence. Later in the year, we might even add a blog page, might add some other stuff to this videos. There'll be other things. But for now, these are the 2 we're going to need. Now, the great thing is you can come back here and now play around with it. And you can change different themes. Like I have Aristotle, diplomat, level, impression. I can do font style with this. Oh, like the green. Even shade it myself. Check it out. I like the green though. Font style. Wow, I gotta pick Frank. Anyway, you can play around with this. The other thing is you can come up here. I could change the image. Select an image. Gallery. I'm going to search. I don't know, Sixers. All right. You can change the header type. I can make the header type a large banner, which will show more of the picture. Cover. Title only. I kind of like the large banner. We're going to cover, actually. So, and you can do each page, you could do something different. Again, you can play around with the color scheme a little bit. So if I wanted to so play around with it. When you're done, so I pause the video, get all that set up. When you're done, you have to publish the site or nobody can see it. Now this is where you give your own URL. Actually, anybody within Collingswood K-12 can go in. We're going to keep it that way because we don't want some wackadoo in California looking at this. Anywho, I'm going to leave it this. Publish. Now, anytime I update this, I have to publish or nobody will be able to see what I added. Now, to submit the assignment, because now I've published it, copy the published site link, copy that, and now I can paste it into the assignment and submit it. That's pretty much all there is to it. If you have questions, do ask. Otherwise, Wardy is out of here.